Today, we're diving into the PHAT satellite 200 feet TRI Shield 14 AWG-RG 11 Coax cable, built to deliver exceptional performance in your home entertainment setup. Designed with a solid core and a 77% braided, 100% foil shield, this cable ensures minimal signal loss over long distances, making it perfect for setups exceeding 150 feet. Its robust construction includes a gel-coated braided shielding that protects against moisture and condensation, ideal for direct burial applications. The cable features all brass connectors with dual O-rings for superior weather sealing and anti-corrosion properties. Its self-collapsing metal design ensures a continuous grounding connection, further enhancing signal reliability. The bright orange PVC jacket not only meets utility standards, but also adds visibility and UV resistance, ensuring durability in outdoor and underground installations. PHAT Satellite INTL takes pride in assembling these cables in the USA, providing customizable lengths tailored to your specific project needs. Whether you're connecting satellite dishes, HDTV antennas, or standard cable TV setups, this cable promises the best-in-class signal transfer with UL-EQL certification. For anyone looking to maximize signal quality and reliability in their outdoor or buried cable installations, the PHAT Satellite RG 11 Coax cable stands out as a top choice, delivering on performance, durability, and ease of installation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.